Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Standard 1 subject Moral Science. Children, in Moral Science, today again I will explain chapter 7 Forgiveness. You all have already read this chapter many times, and this chapter is coming in your class test 4. So, let's start the chapter, children. This is your chapter, lesson 7 Forgiveness. First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of forgiveness. What is the meaning of forgive? Okay? To forgive means not to see the mistakes of others and to show love and kindness to one another. Okay, children? We should forgive our friends for their mistakes. Okay, sometimes your friends forgive you for your mistakes, then you feel happy, children. Yes, now you feel happy. Same as likewise, we have to also forgive our friends' mistakes and make them feel love and hopeful. Okay, everyone. And this is the story of two friends, Archana and Ruchi. You all have read this story. That in this story there were two friends and their names are Archana and Ruchi. And in this story, you all have read that the Ruchi snatched the Archana's doll and pulled its legs and arms, and Archana became very sad and she said that I will never talk to Ruchi. Now next page, see. But Archana's mother said no. Maybe she was upset at that time. She doesn't have a doll as your. Maybe she was upset. So you forgive your friend. You forgive your friend Ruchi. And at the night time when Archana went to sleep, she started thinking, Ruchi must be upset. She started thinking that Ruchi must be sad. Uh, she doesn't have a doll like mine. So I will forgive my friend. Okay. So if I were Ruchi, I too would be feeling jealous. So I should forgive Ruchi. Now in this page, see, children, what happened next day? Next day again Ruchi has taken her doll and he asked her mother, Mama, may I go to Ruchi's house to play? Then mother said, oh, of course, you go and take some cookies also for your friend. And Archana went to Ruchi's house and they played together and had cookies. They enjoyed cookies also, which Archana's mother given for Ruchi. Okay? And what happened then, children? Now see, then Ruchi realized that she did wrong with her friend. Okay? And Ruchi said, Archana, there is something I want to tell you. I am sorry for breaking your doll. See, Ruchi realized that she did wrong with her friend. Then what Archana said? Archana said, oh, that's forgiven. It means I have forgive you. Okay? Now again they both became friends. So children, we should forgive our friends' mistakes. We should not remember their mistakes, children. Understood? And sometimes your friend forgive your mistakes, you feel happy. Same as we should also forgive our friend's mistake and make them feel happy, love and hopeful. See, everyone? And in chapter 7 word meaning is hard words already you all have written in your copy, and today once again you have to learn the spelling of these hard words. Okay, everyone? Now here I am going to tell you about forgiveness. Okay, forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. Okay, everyone? So we should forgive the people. Okay, we should forgive our friends, our relatives, whatever they did, and even those who are not sorry for their mistakes, them also we should forgive. Okay, because if you are not forgiving them, then holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. Okay, now here some core values there, children. Just keep attention here. Forgiveness helps in resolving the differences. Never hold grudge and forget all bad things. We should forget all the bad things and remember their good things. Okay, forgiving someone amends your relation with that person. Okay, now when you forgive others, it is not for their benefit, it's for yours. They have to live with what they have done, but you desires but you deserves to have peace in your heart. Okay, now here are some word meanings also. Already you all have written, children, in your copy, as what is the meaning of forgive. Once again you all repeat after me. Forgive means pardon, mistake, fault, beautiful, pretty, snatch, to take something quickly. Sometimes we take something quickly, it is called snatching. Okay, so what is the meaning of snatch? To take something quickly. Upset, sad, jealous, envy, hopeful, full of promise, ugly, not attractive. Okay, what is the opposite of beautiful? Ugly. Opposite of beautiful? Ugly. Beautiful means pretty, ugly means not beautiful or not attractive, you can say. Pick, choose, or select. Okay, and kindness, the quality of being kind. Okay everyone, these word meanings already you all have written in your copy. Today once again you have to learn. Now I am going to explain today's homework, children. Write true or false, and these all questions are related to the chapter 7. Okay, forgiveness. So let's start the questions, children. Here, question number 1. Ruchi's mother told her to forgive Archana. Is this true statement, children? No. Archana's mother told her to forgive Ruchi. So what you will write here? You will write here false. This statement is false. Ruchi's mother doesn't tell her to forgive Archana. Okay, so what is the correct answer here? Archana's mother told her to forgive Ruchi. So you will write here false. We feel sorry when we all mistakes. This is true. Yes, children, we feel sorry when we all make mistakes. Okay, now third question. Archana did not forgive Ruchi. This is false. Archana forgave Ruchi. Yes, now everyone, you all have read now this story that Archana forgave Ruchi. But in this sentence, what written? Archana did not forgive Ruchi. So it is false. The word ugly means beautiful. This is also false. Ugly means not attractive, not beautiful. Now next question, children, see. Archana and Ruchi were neighbors. No, Archana and Ruchi were friends. So what you will write here? It is also false. Archana and Ruchi were neighbors. No, it is false. When we help others, we feel sad. It is also false. When we help others, we feel happy. A good friend always forgive each other's mistakes. This is true. Yeah, we should not remember their mistakes, children. Okay, we should forgive our friends. We should forgive our friends. We should not remember their mistakes. Okay, so a good friend always forgive each other's mistakes. This is true. Ruchi's mother gave some cookies to Ruchi. This is false. Archana's mother gave some cookies for Ruchi. Okay, so this sentence is also false. You will write here false. Ruchi's mother gave some cookies to Ruchi. It is also false. Now students, today you have to learn song number 2. And what is song number 2? Happiness. First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of happiness. Okay, Happiness means, do you know, the state of being happy is called happiness. Okay everyone, see, these all children looks na beta happy. Now you have to learn this song with me, happiness. Okay, first of all I am going to tell you about happiness, about this song. Okay, if you see someone and pass the smile, then what happen? In returning you will also get the same thing. Yes everyone, if you love someone, then something will return with you, same thing will return with you. Okay, if you love someone, same thing will return with you. Smile, love, smile, happiness, love, smile, these all things are smile. Children, just listen that happiness, love, smile, these things are just like magic penny. Okay, as much as you will share, you will get same from others. Okay everyone, so let's start this song. You all sing with me now. Smile is something if you give it away. Smile is something if you give it away, and it comes right back to you. It is like a magic penny, hold it tight, it won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. Lend it, spend it, give it away, and it comes right back to you. Same as you can sing that in the place of smile, love is something if you give it away. Okay, and happiness is something you can give it away. Okay, so this is very nice song children, and this you all learn. Okay, I hope you all will learn very nicely. And these quotations, prayers also you have to learn. Now I hope you all have understood very nicely today's homework. Today you have to complete true and false in your copy, and this song you have to learn and write in your copy. Thank you everyone.